Green Plates, Nourishing You Plantfully is a YouTube channel dedicated to sharing delicious and creative plant-based recipes that not only satisfy your taste buds, but also nourish your body. We believe in the power of plants to create vibrant and wholesome meals that are not only good for you, but also for the planet. Join us on a culinary journey filled with colorful dishes, easy to follow, cooking tutorials, and insightful tips on adopting a plant-based lifestyle. Whether you're a seasoned plant-based eater or just starting out, Green Plates is here to inspire and guide you towards a more sustainable and flavorful way of eating. Subscribe now and embark on a delicious adventure with us. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we bring you a collection of mouth-watering plant-based recipes that are not only delicious, but also incredibly nutritious. Dive into a world of flavors and explore the endless possibilities of plant-based cooking. Whether you're a committed vegan, vegetarian, or simply looking to incorporate more wholesome dishes into your lifestyle, these recipes are tailored to give you a healthy boost. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with nutrient-packed ingredients and discover how easy it is to create meals that are both satisfying and beneficial for your body. From nourishing breakfast options to delectable main courses and indulgent desserts, we've got you covered. Our plant-based recipes are crafted with a focus on whole foods, bursting with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. By embracing a plant-based diet, not only are you making a positive impact on your health, but you're also contributing to a more sustainable and environmentally friendly world. Join us in the kitchen as we guide you through a range of enticing recipes that will simplify your transition into a plant-based lifestyle. Whether you're seeking quick and easy weeknight meals or show-stopping dishes to impress your guests, our recipes cater to all levels of expertise. Unlock the potential of fresh fruits, vegetables, legumes, and grains by incorporating them into satisfying and delectable plant-based dishes. From colorful salads packed with vibrant flavors to hearty stews that will warm your soul, these recipes will prove that healthy eating never has to be boring. So, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to our channel now and hit the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we share a new plant-based recipe. Watch, learn, and cook along with us as we embark on this journey to enhance your culinary skills and improve your overall well-being. Today, we have some delicious and nutritious plant-based recipes that are perfect for a healthy lifestyle. First up, we have a vibrant and refreshing salad packed with crisp lettuce, juicy tomatoes, and crunchy cucumbers. Topped with a zesty lemon vinaigrette, this salad is bursting with flavors and nutrients. Next, we'll be preparing a mouth-watering plant-based burger using a combination of black.
Thank you. Leave a comment below. Like and follow.